You just quit your 9 to 5 and moved to the Amalfi coast. Picture this. You wake up in a charming Italian villa, perched high above the turquoise waves of the Mediterranean. Your mornings start with the scent of fresh espresso and a warm cornetto straight from the local bakery. You stroll through vibrant streets lined with colorful houses and soak up the sun on Positano's iconic beach. Fresh seafood pasta becomes your new lunch routine, paired perfectly with limoncello made from the lemons growing in your backyard. By evening, life slows down as the golden sunset reflects off the cliffs and the sea stretches endlessly before you. It's not just a destination. It's a dream turned reality. Can you feel the Mediterranean breeze calling your name? Let's make it happen. Pack a bag, call your bestie, and say hello to La Dolce Vita. Tag your travel buddy to start planning now.